Hi, this is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course on Python. Why should you learn Python?
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Now, this is the very first question that arises in one's mind, that why one should learn Python. There are a host of reasons. Now, the first one is it's very easy to learn. Best suited for first-time programmers. It takes very less time to learn. Unlike other languages, complexities are very less. If you compare this with the languages like C++, Java, the complexities are really very less. And C, very less amount of code is required to be written. Basic tasks with minimal amount of code, they can be performed. Python code is 5 times shorter than Java. And you'll be surprised to know Python code is 10 times shorter than C++. And Python is used for developing artificial intelligence applications also. In fact, Python has a special library for AI development. Python is used for scientific research also. In fact, Python has a built-in support for scientific computing support. I should say it has a built-in support for scientific computing tasks. Then comes machine learning. Machine learning is a kind of artificial intelligence that provides computers with the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. So that means not a very heavy tons of programs are to be written in order to develop artificial intelligence applications. Now comes web development. A lot of frameworks are available for Python for developing websites. That means it is used for web development also. Fastest and stable web development. Django, Pylons, TurboGears are some of the frameworks for web development, and they are very popular in the market. Python code is faster and stable. Huge number of resources are available for the Python developers. Like there are so many reference manuals, videos, and forums, etc. On these forums, you can discuss your issues related with the Python coding, and you can get your issues resolved very easily. There are many popular testing frameworks for Python. That means you can have several case tests for your Python programs in order to check the efficiency of your Python programs. Some of the testing frameworks which are very popular, they are py.txt, nose, zope.test.